Now, the good news, the husband and woman have both stabilized, though he does have some underlying medical conditions that could complicate his recovery. David?
All right, Liam, and there are more big headlines with the coronavirus this afternoon. In China, at least 170 people are now dead. Thousands more are sick. Russia's new prime minister has ordered the country's border with China to be closed. And 7,000 people are being held on a cruise ship in Italy because one passenger on board from China has flu-like symptoms. WBZ's Beth Germano is live at Logan Airport tonight with more on what's being done here to stop the spread if the virus arrives here. Beth?
Well, state officials and hospitals are certainly monitoring the situation. And as one doctor said, it is already that time of year when they are on alert for respiratory illnesses. In the meantime, passengers arriving here at Logan Airport from impacted areas say the virus is certainly making them nervous. The Hainan Airlines flight from Shanghai touched down at Logan Airport about 1:30 this afternoon, with passengers describing a tense atmosphere back home.
Well, everybody's being very cautious. Everybody's wearing masks. So government every day, they're telling people to, stay home.
I almost stay indoor for my whole vacation. So, yeah, I'm to be honest, I'm a little bit nervous about the virus.
One passenger described his native Shanghai as a dead city and returned to school in Boston a few days early out of fear of canceled flights.
Nobody's going out. There's no one out on the street, and everybody's wearing masks and kind of scared.
While there are no reported cases of the coronavirus in Massachusetts, Dr. Daniel Kuritzkis at Brigham and Women's describes a state of alertness ready for any patients with symptoms and where to place them.
What we call a negative pressure room, where air is sucked in instead of being blown out, so that any infectious particles would stay in the room and get filtered out through the air filters.
Logan is one airport that will eventually screen passengers for the coronavirus, but many arriving today say they were asked only simple questions.
They asked me if I went to Wuhan, and I said no, and they let me pass.
And what about leaving Shanghai?
Oh, they test my thermostats, see if I have a fever.
Masks were being worn by airport workers as well as passengers. And doctors say while preventative, they're not foolproof.
It certainly helps people from acquiring infection if somebody's coughing or sneezing in their vicinity, but it's not the only way of preventing infection, and it shouldn't be relied on by itself.
And he says that also includes a lot of hand washing. In the meantime, it's up to the CDC to determine when virus screening will begin here at Logan, but it is on a list. Reporting live from Logan Airport, I'm Beth Germano, WBZ News.
Beth, thank you.